Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be showing us how I made this brooch. This is a brooch. You can use it for necklace, anything you want to use it for. It goes for bangle. So let me quickly show us how to do this. So the format I use is, I use size 2 bead, sand bead. I'm having my fishing 9.3. Then I'm having my cutter here with me. So I'll be using size 3 for the blue that is on it. So let's start. So I'll be picking a 8 of size 2. I'll be picking 8. This is it. I will let it go down. I have not tied it. I did not stop it. That is why I'm holding it very firm. This is it. This is it. Then you now tie. I'm going to tie. I'm tying it 3 times. This is it. So after tying, I will cut this excess away. There is it. So what I will do next is I will pick 2. I'm going to pick 2. So these 2 I pick will form the foundation of the other one I want to do. I'm picking 2. Then I will now pick 6. I'll pick 6 of size 2. This is the 6. Then I'll let it go down. You see. So to the 2 that I first pick, I will go back to that 2. Then I will pull. So when you count, we'll be having 8 of these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is 8. So the next thing is I will take my needle to this. I will take 2 of these. I will pull. I'm going to pull it out. And I will take 2 of these 2. I will pull. So this last 2 is what I'll be using now. So I will pick 6. I'm going to pick 6. This is 6. I'm taking it down. Can you see? Then I'll go back to the last 2 I pick. I'm going back to the last 2. Can you see if something is coming up? Then I will take 2 from this 2. I'm not going to use this 2, except if I want to come to this side. Supposing I'm coming to this side, supposing I'm coming here, I will use this one, but I still want to go up. I want to count it 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3. I want to make it 10. So I'm going to use this 2. So this 2 is going up. This 2 here, if you are using this 2, you are going up. If you are using this one, you are coming to this side. When you use this one, you are going to this side, to the left, to the right. Then this one is going up. So I'm still going up. I want to make it 10, because if you check this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is going up. Then if I'm going to the left or to the right, I use 1, 2, 3, 4. So can you see? So I'm using 10, 4. So after doing that, then I will now take from the center. I count 1, 2, 3. I use the 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of the 10, I divided it 3 here, 3 here. Then I use this 4. So that is how I got this. So let's continue. Then I will pick 6 again. I'll let it go down. This is it. We are going up. Then I'll fix it here. Listen. So this is 4. So let me add more 6 to it. So when I take it to 10, I will come back and show you how I will turn it to the other side. So this is 10. So for me to go up again, to put my needle and go up, if I do that, I'll be having 11. But I want this 10, so I have to come to the side. So this is where my fish line is. I will now pick 6 bead. This is the 6 bead. I'm coming to the side. Then I will now use these 2. That is, this is how you come to the side. You use these 2. And you see, I'm at the side now. Right now I'm at the side. I've turned it to the side. So if I want to continue like this, I will be using these 2. Can you see? If I want to continue like this, I will use these 2. This 1, 2. But if I want to go straight, I will use these 2. I will use 1, 2. So I'm using these 2. I'm using this one. I'm going straight like this. When you do this, it will give you V. But I'm using only 4. So you can use it for any design that you want. This one is already giving us V shape. So this is how you are going to do it. So let me quickly show us how to fix in this bead, this blue, because of time I don't want it to be too lengthy. So at this point, at this junction, what you are going to do is to pick one pink, one blue, one pink. Can you see? Then you now take it through this one. Please complete it at home, because of I don't want this video to be lengthy. That is how I attach it. So the fishing line is coming here. You pick one pink, one blue, one pink. This is it. Then you come to the second. You pick it. That is how I was able to you can tie, or you pass the needle to go to the other end. You pass your fish line. Now this place is so thick. Let me tie. The place is so thick.